loves, we took it way back to the old school YouTube days and filmed a 3-in-1 get ready with me. I used to really enjoy watching the full process of the girlies getting ready. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. We're starting off with our makeup, so we're going to go in with our Refi Glow and Sculpt Face Primer. While that primer dries down, we're going to move on to our brows and get those together, starting with the NYX Brow Glue, then move on to the Morphe Brow Pencil to really put those hairs in place and smooth everything out. Oh, and don't worry, because everything that is linkable will be linked down below in the description box. That primer is now good and tacky, so let's go in and do a little color correcting with the NYX Pro Fix Stick. The areas that I use this stick on is on the side of my cheek where I have this dark area, the sides of my mouth, of course my under eye, and the bridge of my nose. I be sure to blend it out really well to make sure we don't have any harsh orange showing through our face base. And speaking of face base, we are going in with the one and only Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Skin Tint. Ooh, it is just so beautiful. The face is looking a little flat, so let's go ahead and add some dimension and color into it with our Sephora bronzer. I love to add this bronzer to the outer parts of my face, my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, eyelids, and underneath my bottom lip. Blush has become my favorite part of my makeup routine, and for that I use the Patrick Ta Blush Duo. Now it is time to conceal. I am using two of my favorite NARS Radiant Creamy Concealers in two different shades. The lighter shade will be placed in the inner corner of my under eyes, and the darker shade will be placed on the outer corners, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. And I am making sure to not rush this process because I want to be sure that everything is blended out very well. We are going to top off that bronzer one more time before we go in and finish off our blush. I am finishing off this blush by applying the cream on top of the powder. Now let's set these under eyes. I'm going in with the one size powders. I have a pink one for the under eye and the dark for the rest of my face. Just look at how smooth and flawless those under eyes look. And just using the leftovers on the chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. I love to use the deep powder to do a little bit more chiseling underneath my cheekbones, and I will also use it on the rest of my face that I did not apply any powder to. Now we will set this face with the one size setting spray. We are almost done with the makeup portion of this video, but you know we have to fill in the brows. Now my brows are professionally done, but I do like to do a little bit of filling in and hair strokes in the front of them to give them a more dressier look. And let me say, getting my eyebrows done professionally was one of the best decisions I've ever made, because the thought of me doing my eyebrows once my face makeup was done was never an option before. We are going to send these eyelashes into the sky with this hella thick mascara. And that is the face. Let's go ahead and move into our outfit. We have this chocolate brown bodysuit, an adorable black skirt with gold detailing, these super comfortable cheetah mesh flats, my Coach crossbody bag, and the girliest, cutest cheetah bow to tie it all together. And for the last part of this 3-in-1, which is my hair, I made sure to put pin curls in my hair last night so that I can have nice curly ends for the style that I had in mind. I'm sectioning off my hair to give me 2 face framing pieces. And then I'm going to make 2 bigger sections going from one top of the ear to the neck so that I can do a half up, half down style. And then I just fluff and zhuzh my hair to my desire and my likings. Make sure the hair is pulled back and nice and neat. And then we top her off with the bow. Oh, and here's what the back of my head is looking like. I always wait to the very end to do my lip combo, so I am applying my MAC Chestnut lip liner with my Morphe lip gloss. Now, as you can see, I was not really feeling these 2 face framing pieces. I think it was because of how I bobby pinned it last night. So I just turned it into a little swoop, and I liked that so much better. Now, Mother Nature had her own plans, so I was not able to wear the skirt. I had to put on some jeans, but it was all fine and dandy because the outfit still came out so cute and so adorable. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you for the next one. Bye, loves.